What's up, guys? It's your boy Jor-El. We back once again. We had another video. Sorry, guys. I was sick for 2 days. I don't do my video for a while. I was sick for 2 days. But I'm back. So today, we out to Kory Deep Trap. Down our walk. This one lit though. Gary missed this out with him. But very lit though. But get him in ditch with them two, bro. Get him in ditch with them two, bro. Get him in ditch with them two, bro. No, come in ditch with Gary, bro. What's that? Bro, I got to talk about my bad, bro. I got the speaker. This is big, but it's dangerous. It's dangerous, bro. How you get the speaker? Right here, by my wall, but that's crazy, bro. So, that's this stupid Kory. If make sure that come subscribe, alright? Join this video. Kory be lit, though. Coming down here. Link Kory in the chat. Put Kory in the chat. Kory in the chat, bro. I'm Friday back and I was sick for two days. I was sick for 2 days. I'm back, so I see this. Let's go. Let's go. Right here, baby. Right here, baby. Right here, baby.
So, I heard a kid named Gara. Don't really know who he is, but he tried to diss me or something. Made a bad
Come on, back, come on.
It was pretty trash, so I just had to respond. You know?
Come on, Kory. Let's go.
Hey, like Gara, gang, yeah, who is that? Like, no one knows your name, bro. Just be looking minimal. We
Oh, Kory, hold on. Guys, hey, hold on real quick. Let me talk. Let me tell you guys, Kory is the best rapper the whole town. But Kory is the best rapper on YouTube, bro. No cap. No cap. No cap. But Kory is the best rapper in the ditch trap. Oh, Gary in the ditch trap, but Gary can't rap nothing. But Kory got the gun and pow, shooting the floor. And the rap lit. No cap. Watch it from the end. I can't talk. It's legal. No cap. This I can talk, but this no talking. This go lit down. Lit down. What lit down?
I'm drowning up in all these stacks while you be counting pay.
Oh, quick. Let me go back. He got another giddy? Hold on real quick. He got another giddy? Nah, bro. He rich, bro. He rich, bro. No way. No way he rich, bro. Kory, you my man right now, bro. You rich all the time, bro. You're my man right now, bro. No way. No way, bro. No way he did this, bro. He gotta let me get in this video. The game got wet. That's trash, bro. No, this is lit. No, I can tell you this is lit, though. Okay.
Shows coming up to me and dissing, we are not the same. Ho, ho, ho. Okay. I'm sent to show my class. Kitty boy be running around, you messing with the dogs. Dummy thinking he the best, I'm about to clear the fog. Kory crew the #1, you messing with the top. Hey. I'm a dog,
I walk. Come on, Kory.
On a leash, you just doing
what I want. Yes, sir.
Point at you, pull the trigger, you
gon' pop. Yes, sir.
Got your girl, got the views, never
Yes,
stop.
sir. Yes, sir.
I'm a dog, I bark, now I walk.
Come on, Kory.
On a leash, you just doing what I want.
Come on.
Point at you, pull the trigger, you gon' pop. Got you, girl, got the views. Now I'm watching it, but he's goofy. Tryna act tough, but he coming out goofy.
Come on. Come on, Kory. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
My name and I wanna like, who does he think? Knock his butt out, one punch, one blink. Man,
for the whole game, bro. Yo, he got a big dick. He kicked out.
Hope you go down into dirt and you rot. Switching the words, got a brain for a pot. Yeah, Gara, you kinda got bodied on that. Don't ever try to step up to me again. Your song is just not good at all, and I don't think music's really your thing. So yeah, subscribe everyone.
No, bro. He kicked that. No, they got called Horror Guys. Kory's man. He did a teacher for 2 years now. But he kicked that. Come down, yo. Put Kory in the file in the chat, bro. Put Kory in the chat. Then Kory on YouTube, bro. Right now, bro. He go viral on YouTube, bro. No cap. No cap, bro. No cap. This one lit, bro. He got a bar slow. He got a bar slow at that, bro. He spit the whole bars. At that. The little kitty he did. Alright, this is. Boy, Kory's the man, bro. I appreciate Kory. Cause I'm tired. I've been in the video, make sure I did this video. I was sick for 2 weeks. Make sure y'all come and subscribe. Hit no kitchen bell. Notify me to my videos. And let me say, I promise I'll leave you guys. Y'all come and subscribe. Subscribe. Hit that little kitchen bell. Hit the little kitchen bell. No bangers. I just said in the next video I said. But don't miss the bangers. I'm sick, guys. And then the video. We out. Peace.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today.